Just Easy English podcast. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Just Easy English. I'm Connor, and I'm really glad you're here. Today, we're diving into something that can completely change the way you speak English: daily conversations. We explore real, authentic conversations, not those stiff, boring textbook dialogues that no one actually says in real life. I've prepared some great examples for you, from casual introductions between friends to more formal situations like professional networking. And here's the best part. We'll not only listen to these conversations along the way. I'll explain key phrases and vocabulary that'll make you sound natural, confident, and more like a native speaker. So, are you ready to turn those awkward silences into smooth, engaging conversations? If you are, hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of English learners. New episodes drop every week. All right, let's get started. Formal greetings. Meeting the professor.
Morning, Professor Austin. How are you doing today?
Hey, James. Good to see you. I'm doing great, thanks. How about you? How is the semester treating you so far?
Not too bad. Can't complain. Oh, by the way, this is my friend Emma. She's thinking about applying to our program next year, and she's been asking me a bunch of questions. I thought you'd be the perfect person for her to talk to if you don't mind.
Of course I don't mind. Hi, Emma. Nice to meet you. So you're interested in our program? What got you thinking about applying here?
Hi, Professor Austin. It's really nice to meet you too. Yeah, I've heard great things from James. I'm super interested in the research opportunities here, but honestly, the whole application process feels a bit overwhelming. There's so much to figure out: deadlines, requirements, scholarships, all of it.
Totally understand. That's completely normal. It can seem like a lot at first. How about this? Why don't you stop by my office next week? We can go over everything together. Applications, timelines, funding options, all of it. I can even connect you with a few current students so you can hear what it's really like here.
Oh wow, that would be amazing. I really appreciate it, Professor. I don't want to take up too much of your time though.
Don't worry about that at all. Helping students like you is one of the best parts of my job. Just send me an email and we'll set up a time that works.
See? Told you he's the nicest professor on campus.
Haha, James is just saying that because finals are coming up. But seriously, Emma, I'm looking forward to chatting with you more.
Thank you so much, Professor Austin. I'll email you soon.
Sounds good. Have a great rest of your day, both of you.
Vocabulary and phrases. All right, let's take a look at some useful vocabulary and phrases from the conversation. How's the semester treating you? This is a friendly way to ask how someone's doing during school time. Instead of saying "How are your classes?", you can say "How's the semester treating you?". You can also use it for work. For example, "How's work treating you?" Can't complain. When someone asks, "How are you?", you can casually reply, "Pretty good." Can't complain. It means you're doing fine, not perfect, but no big problems. It sounds friendly and very natural. You're the perfect person for her to talk to. This means you're the right person to help with this. It's polite and warm, often used when you introduce someone to an expert or teacher. Try saying, "You're the perfect person to ask about that." If you don't mind, we use this when asking politely for something. For example, could you help me check this? If you don't mind, it's a great way to sound respectful and kind. What got you thinking about, this one's supernatural? Instead of saying, why are you interested in this? You can say, what got you thinking about studying abroad? It sounds curious, not formal, just friendly and conversational. Overwhelming. This word means something feels too much to handle. For example, the first week of college can be really overwhelming. Try using it when you talk about stress or big changes in life. Stop by my office. This means come visit my office for a short time. Native speakers often say this casually. You can stop by my office anytime. You can also say, stop by my place or stop by the cafe. Go over something. To go over something means to review or discuss it carefully. For example, let's go over your notes before the test. It's super common in school and work conversations. Don't worry about that at all. A kind, reassuring phrase. You can say this when someone apologizes or feels bad. Example, oh, don't worry about that at all. It's totally fine. Looking forward to doing something. This is how you say you're excited about something. For example, I'm looking forward to meeting you next week. It's polite and positive, great for both casual and formal situations. Shadowing practice. Now you listen to the conversation again and repeat right away. This helps you speak more naturally and more quickly. Meeting friends.
Hey, Helen, what's up?
Oh hey, Jane, not much. Just trying to survive. You look super awake today.
Haha, yeah, I just had a big cup of coffee. Totally doing its job. Where are you heading with all those books?
The library, unfortunately. I've got this huge history exam next week, and I've barely started studying. I'm freaking out a little.
Oh no, what's it about?
European history like 1500 to 1800. So many dates and wars and random kings' names. My brain's already melting.
Yikes, that sounds rough. You studying there all day?
Yeah, probably until they kick me out. I should have started ages ago.
Don't worry, you've still got a week. You're good at history anyway, right?
I mean kinda. Just way too much to cover this time.
Well, you've got this. Just take it one chapter at a time.
Thanks. I'll try. Anyway, I should get going before I lose all my motivation.
Totally get that. Good luck, Helen. Text me if you need a break.
Will do. Thanks, Jane. See ya.
Bye. Don't study too hard.
Vocabulary and phrases. All right, let's take a look at some useful vocabulary and phrases from the conversation. What's up? Meaning a casual way to say how are you? Or what are you doing? Sounds friendly and informal. Perfect for talking with friends. Example, hey, what's up? Haven't seen you in a while. Trying to survive. Meaning a humorous way to say you're stressed or busy, but still okay. Shows you're joking about how hard things are, but not too seriously. Example, how's work? Just trying to survive. You look super awake today, meaning you look full of energy and not tired. Super here is an informal way to say very. Example, wow, you look super awake today. Did you sleep early? Doing its job, meaning when something works well or does what it's supposed to. Commonly used when talking about coffee, medicine, or tools. Example, this coffee's doing its job. I'm wide awake now. Freaking out, meaning feeling very nervous, anxious, or scared. A very common natural phrase among young people. Example, I'm freaking out about my exam tomorrow. My brain's already melting, meaning you're tired or overwhelmed from studying or thinking too much. It's a funny, exaggerated way to say I'm exhausted. Example, after 5 hours of studying, my brain's melting. Until they kick me out, meaning staying somewhere until it closes or you're told to leave. A casual and funny way to say you'll stay for a long time. Example, I'll be at the cafe until they kick me out. You've got this, meaning you can do it, you'll be fine. Encouragement, very common for cheering up or motivating a friend. Example, good luck on your test, you've got this. Text me if you need a break, meaning message me if you want to rest or talk. Simple and friendly, sounds like a real conversation. Example, hey, text me if you need a break from studying. Don't study too hard, meaning a light, friendly goodbye shows you care. Often used to balance encouragement with humor. Example, good luck. Don't study too hard. Shadowing practice. Now you listen to the conversation again and repeat right away. This helps you speak more naturally and more quickly. Introducing friends.
Hey, Charles. Who's that tall woman talking to Barbara? She looks kind of familiar, but I can't remember where I've seen her.
Oh, that's Mary, Barbara's old college roommate. Didn't you meet her at Steve's housewarming party last month?
Nope, I missed that one. I was out of town visiting my parents, remember?
Ah, right. Well, you should meet her. She's super nice. I think you two would get along. Come on, I'll introduce you.
Sure, why not? Always good to meet new people.
Hey Mary, come here for a second. I want you to meet my friend Jim. Jim, this is Mary. She just moved here from Portland.
Hi, Jim. Nice to meet you. Charles has told me about you.
Oh, really? Hopefully all good things. Nice to meet you too, Mary. How are you liking it here so far?
It's been great. Still getting used to the city, but everyone's been really friendly.
That's good to hear. I was just about to grab a drink. Want something? The punch isn't bad, and I think there's some beer in the kitchen.
A drink sounds amazing. My throat's dry from all this talking. Let's go see what they've got.
You guys go ahead. I'm gonna find the host and say thanks.
All right. See you later, man.
Vocabulary and phrases. All right. Let's take a look at some useful vocabulary and phrases from the conversation. She looks kind of familiar, meaning she looks like someone I've seen before. Note, kind of is very common in casual English. It softens your sentence and sounds more natural. Example, that guy looks kind of familiar. Did we see him at the cafe yesterday? I can't remember where I've seen her, meaning I've seen her before, but I don't remember when or where. Example, I know that face. I just can't remember where I've seen him. Out of town, meaning away from where you usually live. Common in small talk, sounds natural and polite. Example, I was out of town last weekend visiting my grandparents. Get along, meaning have a good relationship or connection with someone. Often used when introducing friends. Example, you and Mary would totally get along. You have the same sense of humor. Always good to meet new people, meaning a polite way to sound friendly and open during introductions. Example, I love going to parties. It's always good to meet new people. All good things, I hope, meaning a fun, friendly way to respond when someone says they've talked about you. Example, oh, you've heard about me. All good things, I hope. Still getting used to, meaning still adapting or adjusting to something new. Native speakers say this a lot when talking about change. Example, I just moved here, so I'm still getting used to the weather. That's good to hear, meaning a polite, friendly response to good news. Example, my new job's going really well. Oh, that's good to hear. Grab a drink, meaning get or buy a drink casually, not necessarily alcohol. Sounds natural and friendly, not formal. Example, let's grab a drink after work. What made you move out here? Meaning, why did you decide to move to this city, place? Friendly, open-ended question to keep the conversation going. Example, what made you move out here? Work, family, or just for a change? Shadowing practice. Now, you listen to the conversation again and repeat right away. This helps you speak more naturally and more quickly. And that's it for today's episode. I hope you've learned some new ways to start conversations and make your English flow more naturally. So, try using one of today's phrases the next time you meet someone new. You'll be surprised how much easier it feels. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Just Easy English and don't forget to leave a comment. It really helps the channel grow and lets me know what kind of topics you'd like to learn next. Thanks for listening, and as always, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep it easy. I'm Connor, and I'll see you in the next episode.